Hello everyone, welcome to Learn GK Everything YouTube channel. Question number 1. When was United Nations established? Answer 24th October 1945. Question number 2. What are the 6 principal organs of United Nations? Answer: General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, International Court of Justice, Secretariat, and Trusteeship Council. Question number 3. Who is the current Secretary General of United Nations? Answer: Antonio Guterres. Question number 4. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations located? Answer: New York, USA. Question number 5. How many member countries and observer states does United Nations have? Answer: 193 members and 2 observer states. Question number 6. What is the main aim of United Nations? Answer: to maintain international peace and security. Question number 7. United Nations came into existence with how many member countries? Answer: 51. Question number 8. Veto power in the United Nations Security Council is enjoyed by? Answer: 5 members. Question number 9. Which is the principal judicial organ of United Nations? Answer: International Court of Justice. Question number 10. Where is United Nations Information Center established in India? Answer: New Delhi. Question number 11. The main deliberative body of United Nations is? Answer: General Assembly. Question number 12. The International Court of Justice is located in? Answer: Hague, Netherlands. Question number 13. Secretary of United Nations is headed by? Answer: Secretary General. Question number 14. When is United Nations Day celebrated? Answer: 24th October. Question number 15. Who is the current United Nations resident coordinator in India? Answer: Shombi Sharp. Question number 16. What are the key areas of United Nations work in India? Answer: health and nutrition, education, gender equality, climate and environment, poverty reduction, governance, disaster and humanitarian aid, and sustainable economic growth. Question number 17. Who was the first permanent representative of India to the United Nations? Answer: B.N. Rao. Question number 18. What is the motto of United Nations? Answer: peace, dignity and equality on a healthy planet. Question number 19. Who is the current permanent representative of India to the United Nations? Answer: Parvathaneni Harish. Question number 20. Which countries are known as Big Five in the United Nations Security Council? Answer: all of the above. Question number 21. How many permanent and non-permanent members are there in the United Nations Security Council? Answer: 5 permanent and 10 non-permanent. Question number 22. What is the status of India in United Nations Security Council? Answer: non-permanent member. Question number 23. Who was the first Secretary General of the United Nations? Answer: Trygve Lie. Question number 24. What is the function of Security Council? Answer: it is responsible for maintaining international peace and security. Question number 25. Which organ is established to supervise trust territories and help them gain independence? Answer: Trusteeship Council. Question number 26. Since when has the Trusteeship Council been inactive? Answer: 1st November 1994. Question number 27. The President of the United Nations General Assembly is elected for how many years? Answer: 1 year. Question number 28. Which of the following are observer states at the United Nations? Answer: Holy See and State of Palestine. Question number 29. Who is the current President of the United Nations General Assembly? Answer: Annalena Baerbock. Question number 30. Which session of the United Nations General Assembly is being held in 2025? Answer: 80th session. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.